Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Steve, and today we're going to be talking about the most controversial topic in the watch community, watch winders. Yep, watch winders. Now, I fall into the camp of not needing a watch winder. My daily driver is a 5610 that I wear pretty much 5 to 6 days a week, and on the weekends, I usually wear my Seamaster around or something else that doesn't require a very intensive setting process, either a no date or a date. But really, I don't have like a perpetual calendar, an annual calendar, nothing like that. Another reason I don't have a watch winder is because I don't want to put excessive wear on the movements. Now, I usually collect newer watches, so I don't have to worry about the oils drying up. Now, some people say that you should have a watch winder. That way, your movement isn't just sitting static for an excessive period of time. I've heard both arguments, and I'm just going to fall under the category of less is more. You know, like the less you wear it, the more it's going to last. The more it's going to last? I don't know. My English is terrible. But that's before the company Mozsly reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to see one of their watch winders, and it's this one right here. Really interested to see how this works. Right now, it's actually pretty quiet. I don't know if you could hear it right now. It's moving. So let me just pause for a second. It's pretty quiet. But first impressions, I'm actually very surprised on how well this functions, how quiet it runs, how well it's constructed, even down to the unboxing experience. Now, when you first unbox this watch winder, you're going to notice that it comes in a very nice box with all the accessories that you need. It comes with 2 different types of pillows, a manual, a power cable, and another cable that can connect 2 of these winders together in series. Now, overall, I like the construction of the watch winder. We have a very nice feeling leather around the outside with uniform stitching. We have 4 rubber feet, a glossy front, and with a stainless steel exhibition cap. So moving on to the back of the winder, we have an in port and an out port because, like I said, you can connect 2 of these winders in series. On the left, you have the changes of direction, either clockwise, counterclockwise, or both. And we also have a slider that we can adjust the turns per day. So at level 1, we have 650 rotations, and at level 4, we have 1,500 rotations. Now, it doesn't revolve the entire day. It will basically rotate and then pause and then rotate again. So for example, at level 4, your watch will revolve for 8 minutes and then rest for 52 minutes. And then the next hour, it will revolve it again another 8 minutes and then rest for 52 minutes. And then depending on which position you chose to rotate the watch, either counterclockwise, clockwise, or both, it will change directions at that point after the resting period. Now, if you want to put your watch winder on a bookshelf or somewhere that doesn't have an outlet nearby, Mozsly has you covered. You can put in 2 AA batteries here. Fully charged batteries will last 40 to 50 days depending on which settings you use. That's just according to the manual. I haven't really done that yet because I've only had this for a few days. But in the manual, it says 40 to 50 days of power. Now, like I said, they give you 2 pillows to put the watches in. So if you have a smaller wrist or a larger wrist, it doesn't really matter. You're going to find the right option for you. I have a 7.5-inch wrist, so I used the bigger pillow. Now, I did use the smaller pillow for a different watch, and yeah, they both function pretty well. The 2 different designs kind of throw you off a little bit, but overall, not too bad. So what do I think about the Mozsly watch winder? Well, aesthetically, I think it looks great. It has a sleek design, the leather feels great, the stitching is uniform, the rubber feet on the bottom actually serve a purpose, and the controls on the back are simple and intuitive. Nothing complicated about it. Now, longevity of the motor, I am not sure how long that's going to last. I mean, it could last forever. I have no idea. But for right now, I've only had it for a few days, and it's functioning as intended. Right now, it's on, and it's quieter than my fan in my computer. So right now it's functioning great. I'm interested to see how well this lasts and if it does, maybe get louder as time goes on. But for right now, it's functioning great. I have the AA batteries in it right now, so we're going to see how long that lasts. If it really is a 40-day, 50-day period, I could update you guys later on. If you guys want to know, just let me know in the comment section below. But overall, for $89, I'm pretty happy with the winder itself. Like I said, I've never been a winder person. I've never needed to have a winder. But now that I have it, maybe I'll just use it more often. I just never had the urge to buy one. And now that I have it, maybe I'll use it and it'll change my opinion on watch winders. Well, that's the video. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever bought a Mozsly watch winder or a watch winder in general. Let me know if it's worth it or if it's not, and then we can have a discussion in the comment section. But if you haven't already, please hit that like button down below and the subscribe button. It really does help the channel. And if you're interested in more of my videos, go ahead and click on one of these two here. Watch them both if you'd like. I don't know. I need to make some more money on YouTube if I'm going to keep doing this. No, I'm just kidding. I like doing this. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.